Hi my dear friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share this channel to every engineering student. In previous class, we have seen that conduction with heat generation. Case 1, plain slab and both surfaces are maintained at same temperature, and in case 2, and the surfaces are maintained at different temperatures. Now the third case, one of the surface of plain slab is insulated and another surface is maintained at constant temperature. Now let us say this is a plain slab. Now one surface is insulated. What is meant by insulation? No heat transfer from this surface. So as the left face is insulated, the heat cannot transfer through this plane. So that what happened? The maximum temperature is occurred at the insulated plane. Now T max. Slowly the temperature decreases with the increasing length of the thickness. Now say here x is equal to 0, boundary conditions, and here x is equal to L. L is thickness of the plain slab. At x is equal to L, T is equal to Ts, the surface temperature on the other side of the wall. Now L is the thickness of plain slab. Now we have to derive the temperature distribution function. Now how to derive? We know the generalized equation, differential equation for a plain slab, that is dou square T by dou x square plus qg by k is equal to 1 by alpha dou T by dou T. The assumptions are steady state and one dimensional, k is constant. Therefore, the equation will be dou square T by dou x square is equal to minus qg by k. Now integrating on both sides. Now integrating, dou T by dou x is equal to minus qg x by k plus c1. Okay. Now take boundary condition. At x is equal to 0, T equal to T max. At a maximum temperature, the slope of temperature profile is dou T by dou x is 0. Okay, now substituting this our equation, we get C1 is equal to 0. Now the equation will be dou T by dou x is equal to minus qg x by k. Now again integrate. Again integrating on both sides, we get T equal to minus qg x square by 2k plus c2. Now taking boundary conditions, at x is equal to L, T equal to Ts. Now substitute in the above equation, we get Ts is equal to minus qg L square by 2k plus c2. Now from this, c2 equal to Ts plus qg L square by 2k. Now substitute c2 in equation 1. Substitute c2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? T is equal to minus qg x square by 2k plus c2. Therefore, T equal to minus qg x square by 2k plus c2. Now what is c2? Ts plus qg L square by 2k. Therefore, T equal to Ts plus, take common, qg by 2k L square minus x square. Now this is the temperature distribution function in In third case, what is the third case? One of the surface is of plane slab is insulated. So this is temperature distribution function. Okay. Now, how to find out maximum temperature? We know the boundary condition. At x is equal to 0, T equal to T max. Now substitute in the temperature distribution function. In place of T, T max is equal to Ts plus Qg. In place of x, 0. Therefore, Qg L square by 2K. This is very, very important for gate point of view. Okay. Hope you understood. Next, energy balance equation. Now, energy balance equation. Assume this plane slab is surrounded by a fluid having at a temperature of T infinity and convective heat transfer coefficient H. Now, listen. The amount of heat generation in the plane slab is equal to amount of heat conducted at x is equal to L at this surface, at this plane. Q at x is equal to L. Now at this plane, the total heat, the rate of heat generation in the plane slab is equal to the amount of heat conducted at x is equal to L. That should be equal to heat convected. Already I have explained in last two cases. Now can I write rate of heat generation is equal to heat conducted at x is equal to L plane is equal to heat convected to the fluid medium. Here rate. Okay, rate means at per unit time. Per unit time, the amount of heat generation in the slab is equal to heat conducted at x is equal to L, and that is equal to heat convected to the fluid time per unit time. Or you can write like this: by energy balance equation, Q in plus heat generation minus Q out is equal to Q stored, heat stored. Okay. Now, as it is steady state, Q stored is equal to 0. There is no heat input. Now, remaining is Qg is equal to Q out. Now, what is heat generation? Small Qg into volume of the plane slab. What is heat output? That is in the form of convection. That is Q convection. Now, what is the formula for convection? H area, this area, into temperature difference, that is Ts to T infinity. Now, what is the volume of this slab? Area into length. Okay. Now, area cancel. Now, therefore, Qg L divided by H plus T infinity is equal to Ts. Okay. Now we can substitute Ts in the temperature distribution function. Okay. Hope you understood. Next, case 4. Solid cylinder with heat generation and surface is maintained at constant temperature. So this is a cylinder having some length with radius R and with surface temperature Ts. At R equal to 0, temperature will be maximum, T max. Okay. Now, we know the generalized differential equation for cylinder, that is Further equation. Now, what is the formula? Dou by dou r into dou t by dou r plus qg r by k is equal to r into 1 by alpha dou t by dou t. Okay, as it is steady state, we can remove this one. Now what is the equation? Dou by dou r into dou t by dou r is equal to minus qg r by k. Okay, now what is the next step? Integrating on both sides, we get r into dou t by dou r is equal to minus qg r square by 2k plus c1. Now take boundary condition at r equal to 0, t equal to t max. Now the slope will be, now these are the temperature profile. At r equal to 0, temperature will be maximum. Now here T max. Now at r equal to 0, the slope of temperature profile is 0. Therefore dou T by dou r equal to 0. Now substitute here, we get C1 equal to 0. Now the equation is r into dou T by dou r minus qg r square by 2k. Cancel r, here r square. Now remaining dou T by dou r is equal to minus qg r by 2k. Okay. Now again integrating, we get T equal to minus qg r square divided by 4k plus C2. Now make this equation 1. Now take another boundary condition at r equal to capital R, at our outer radius, T equal to surface temperature Ts. Now substitute in the above equation, we get Ts is equal to minus qg in place of small r, capital R square by 4k plus C2. Okay. Now C2 is equal to Ts plus qg capital R square divided by 4k. Now substitute C2 in equation 1. Okay. Now T equal to minus qg r square divided by 4k plus C2. Now what is C2? Ts plus qg capital R square by 4k. Therefore the temperature profile, temperature distribution T equal to Ts plus qg by 4k into capital R square minus small r square. So very, very, very important for gate point of view. Now this is temperature distribution in the case of solid cylinder with heat generation and surface is maintained at constant temperature. Okay. Now to find out maximum temperature in this solid cylinder, we know that at at r equal to 0, T equal to T max. Now substitute in this equation in temperature distribution function, we get in place of T, T max is equal to Ts plus qg small r is equal to 0. Now capital R square divided by 4k. Okay, this is also very, very important. Okay, hope you understood. Now energy balance. Now this is a cylinder with radius r. Now it is surrounded by a fluid medium having a temperature of T infinity, and convective heat transfer coefficient as H. And the surface temperature of cylinder is Ts. Okay. Now, from energy balance equation, Q in minus Q out plus heat generation is equal to Q stored. Okay, as it is steady state, Q stored equal to 0, and there is no Q input, there is no heat input. Now, heat Qg is equal to Q out. Now, what is Q out here? Convection in the mode of, now heat is convecting to the fluid medium, that is output. Now, Qg is equal to Q convection. Okay. Now, what is Qg? Small qg into volume. Now, convection formula, H into surface area delta T, that is Ts minus T infinity. Okay. Now, what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square into total length of the cylinder, L, is equal to H. Now, what is surface area? Heat is convecting from this surface area, 2 pi r into total length of the cylinder. Now, what is surface area? 2 pi r into total length of the cylinder, Ts minus T infinity. Now, here pi r square L, pi r L cancel. Therefore, Qg r divided by 2H plus T infinity is equal to Ts. Okay, this is the equation for surface temperature, to find out surface temperature. Okay, you can substitute in temperature distribution function. Okay, no need. Okay, now next case, case 5. Solid sphere with heat generation and surface maintained at constant temperature. Okay, this is sphere, total radius r, at the surface temperature is Ts. Okay, at r equal to 0, temperature will be maximum. Right. Now we have to derive temperature distribution function from the further equation of sphere. What is the further equation? Differential equation of sphere, generalized differential equation. We know that dou by dou r into r square dou t by dou r plus Qg r square by k is equal to r square 1 by alpha dou t by dou small t. Okay, now the assumption is steady state. Therefore, the equation will be dou by dou r square dou t by dou r is equal to minus Qg r square by k. Okay. Now, what's the next step? Integrating. Now, by integrating on both sides, we get r square dou t by dou r is equal to minus Qg r cube by 3k plus constant C1. Okay. Now, by taking boundary condition, at r equal to 0, t equal to T max, at maximum temperature the slope is dou t by dou r equal to 0. Now, substituting this above equation, we get C1 is equal to 0. Now, the equation will become r square dou t by dou r is equal to minus Qg r cube by 3k. Here r square, r cube cancel. Therefore, dou t by dou r is equal to minus Qg r by 3k. Now, again integrating on both sides, we get t equal to minus Qg r square by 6k plus C2. Now, make this as equation 1. Now, take another boundary condition. At r equal to capital R, T equal to surface temperature, Ts. Now, substitute in this above equation. In place of T Ts is equal to minus Qg in place of small r, capital R square by 6K plus C2. Okay, now the C2 will be Ts plus Qg R square divided by 6K. Now substitute C2 in equation 1. T equal to minus Qg small r square by 6K plus C2. Now what is C2? Ts plus Qg capital R square by 6K. Okay, now this can be simplified as T is equal to Ts plus, take common, Qg by 6K capital R square minus small r square. For cylinder, Qg by 4K. This is the difference. Now this is temperature distribution function in solid sphere. This is temperature distribution function. Okay, hope you understood. Now to find out maximum temperature at R equal to 0, T equal to T max. Now substitute in temperature distribution function. Now T equal to T max is equal to Ts plus Qg by 6K into capital R square. Small r becomes 0, capital R square. Okay, this is the maximum temperature in solid sphere with heat generation. Hope you understood. For cylinder, T max is equal to Ts plus Qg capital R square divided by 4K. That's it. By comparing both, it is easy to remember, right? Next, energy balance. Okay, this is sphere. The surface temperature is Ts and it is surrounded by a fluid medium. Now from sphere to fluid medium, the mode of heat transfer is convection. Okay, the mode of heat transfer is convection. Now fluid having at a temperature of T infinity and convective heat transfer coefficient H. Now from energy balance, Q in minus Q out plus Qg is equal to Q stored. Okay, as it is steady state, Q stored equal to 0. There is no heat input. Therefore, heat generation is equal to heat output. Okay, the rate of heat generation in the sphere is equal to rate of heat convected to the fluid medium. Okay, that's the meaning of this equation. Therefore, Qg is equal to small qg into volume of the sphere is equal to, here Q out is in the form of convection. Okay, right. Now Qg, now what is the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to convection formula H into surface area. What is surface area of sphere? 4 pi r square into delta T, that is Ts minus T infinity, right? Now 4 pi r cube, here 4 pi r square. Therefore, Qg r divided by 3h plus T infinity is equal to Ts. Ts is surface temperature. Now, if you substitute Ts in temperature distribution function, substitute Ts in temperature distribution function. Type in T equal to, in place of Ts, T infinity plus Qg r divided by 3h plus Qg by 6k into capital R square minus small r square. Okay, this is the temperature distribution function with ambient temperature. Okay, no need to remember, just remember this energy balance equation. It is enough for gate point of view. Hope you understood, and we will continue in next class. In next class I am going to discuss some numericals based on conduction with heat generation. Hope you understood my class. If you understood class, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Please share this video to reach every engineering student. Thank you for watching.